बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर सब्सक्राइबर अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू माय चैनल ऑल टू लर्न। इस वीडियो में हम असिस्टेंट इन एस्टेब्लिशमेंट डिपार्टमेंट में जो पेपर हुआ था 4 अक्टूबर 2017 को, वो हम डिस्कस करेंगे उनके आंसर के साथ। तो चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। उससे पहले चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। चूज़ द राइट ऑप्शन फॉर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन। गिलगित बल्तिस्तान लाइज टू ईस्ट ऑफ खैबर पख्तूनख्वा। Which country is known as playground of Europe? Switzerland. Mexico City is known as city of places after United States. Germany is the biggest contributor in peacekeeping by United Nations. Red Fort was built by Akbar. Dash was great musician in the court of Akbar. Tansin. The beginning of British political sway over India can traced of policy. When Akbar was young, his guardian was Biram Khan. Babur entered India for the first time from the west through Sindh. Delhi became capital of India 1911. The Gandhi-Arman Pact proclaimed the suspension of Dandi March. गलत, सिविल डिसोबीडियंट मूवमेंट है इसका आंसर। जलियांवाला बाग मसकर टुक प्लेस इन अमृतसर। द बैटल ऑफ पॉलिसी फॉट इन 1757। नेम द pamphlet of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan which was written about cause of Indian mutiny. रिसाले असबाब बगावत हिंद। इंस्टीट्यूशन ऑफ खिलाफत was abolished in 1924. Pakistan People Party was founded in Lahore in November 1967. Quaid-e-Azam left Congress in 1920. Indus Water Treaty was signed between Pakistan and India in 1960. Constitution of Pakistan can be amended by 2/3. The 18th Amendment in Constitution declared legal framework under 2002 as having been made without lawful authority and no effect, and the amendment be repealed. 17th 100-year War was fought between France and England. The first satellite was launched by USSR. The first successful socialist revolution in history was Russia. The Magna Carta was signed by the King John of England in 1215. The capital of China is Beijing. The currency of Iran is Rial. The name of Indian Parliament is Rajya Sabha. Which of these countries is not the member of SAARC? Iran. Permanent Secretariat of SAARC is located at Kathmandu. The new name of Lalpur is Faisalabad. Fill in the blanks with most appropriate word. The unruly behavior of student, tempered, incite, aggrieved, clash. इसका आंसर आपको लास्ट में मिलेगा. If this interpretation is held valid, then the state are dash of power to plan, implementation and minority scheme. Awarded investment relief diverse. With the growing unrest in the country, government is gearing itself to quell the rebellion. If the president does not guard clemency, clemency, in his case he will be hanged shortly. Dash between labor and management is inevitable in any industrial society. Friction. The dash of the council has passed against the magazine for their responsibility in reporting are justified. Laws. Akram is the slowly head of the family and commands a lot of respect from the family members. Question number 38. A modern public sector manager have become quite adept in shift their loyalties. Many times newspaper discard the news to make it sensational. My father keep all his confidential paper in lock and keys. Moreover, the fact-finding mission dispatched control C जो है by BSN in Bangladesh strongly recommended that the France group should go do it alone and not hand over to anyone. The people of China who have claimed denied their right to be free and frank only to have it brutally may claim brutally denied also have courage to manifest in their way. The educational system of Japan and South Korea have long tough work schedules for students, and it is no coincidence that both these countries are doing well. We tempted him with many promises, but nothing would influence him. Conditions in the country have grown so severe that many refugees have risked death to escape. The leaders were needed by chosen to they were address foreign manipulation by the in the implementation and infrastructure plan and condition of introducing labor incentive technique which generate a minimum level of rural employment. The glory of lead but to the I shall dash him if he dash to me for his misconduct. The hot tropical climate create a climate of dash and encouraged. Fill in the blanks with appropriate preposition. She has great affection for me है इसका. The inspector must inquire the dash complaint inquire of our country is committed a policy of peaceful coexistence by a policy of get me a glass of water, will you just try doing it to do and do, तो just do it होगा. I am fed up by this type of behavior with this type of behavior. Had not police not reached there in time, the bandit, some people reveal gossip, the storehouse was infested rats, your friend died with overwork due to overwork. ये आप अपोजिट है, आप सॉल्व कर लें वीडियो पास करके. नेक्स्ट पेज करती हूँ. सीरीज़ के बाद आपने फाउंड आउट द ऑड वन करने होंगे. फिर आपने select pair of words with have same relation as a given. और लास्ट में आपको सारे क्वेश्चन के आंसर नज़र आ रहे होंगे. आई होप आपके लिए वीडियो हेल्पफुल होगी. वीडियो को पास करके आप आराम से क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करें और आगे पीछे करके आप इनके आंसर भी देख लें. थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग. अपना ख्याल रखिए. अल्लाह हाफिज़.